So things are getting pretty exciting for Dogecoin and Bitcoin as Jack Dorsey has just given a very important message to holders. So watch this video till the end and discover where we are headed from here. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So we know that the co-founder and former CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, is a big supporter of crypto, especially Bitcoin, and he has expressed his support for Bitcoin for years. And now he has given a huge boost to Bitcoin and the overall crypto market by predicting that Bitcoin is going to replace the US dollar. So Jack Dorsey replied to the Grammy Award-winning Hollywood rapper Cardi B's tweet where she questioned whether crypto has the potential to replace the US dollar. Dorsey took this opportunity to reiterate Bitcoin's dominance, asserting that Bitcoin will in fact replace the green bills. And we are now seeing that the comment section of Cardi B's tweet gathered a lot of the Bitcoin and crypto community alike, dragging the US dollar down. In fact, Dogecoin's co-founder, Billy Marcus, also joined the conversation. He shared a meme to mock the instability of the dollar and highlighted that Dogecoin is more stable than the US dollar. So we know that Jack has been supporting the crypto market consistently. In fact, he recently left Twitter to take more part in the crypto space. And he renamed his crypto firm Square to Block to indicate his growing interest in the space, and how he is now going to work on crypto projects. And the point is that Jack Dorsey is a prominent personality, and his support for Bitcoin is going to give a massive boost to its value and adoption. And it is highly likely that his prediction may come true in the future. But the main point is that Bitcoin's market value is going to rise from here. And this is very bullish for Dogecoin since we already know that its price correlation with Bitcoin is pretty high right now. This is very important on chain data, and this is why I have been highlighting it in my videos again and again. The point is that Bitcoin is looking to grow dramatically in value in the coming years, and Dogecoin is going to follow suit since it has done it before owing to its high price correlation with Bitcoin. And now there is a very positive update coming from Russia, but I'll come to it in the latter part of this video. Let's first come to Bitcoin for a minute. So we are now seeing that Bitcoin has gained about 7% in the previous 24 hours, following a fall during the last couple of days. As of now, it is rapidly approaching the 49K mark, and it appears that Bitcoin is attempting to break past the 51K resistance level more. And I believe that Bitcoin will be able to clear it since everything is looking pretty bullish for it. For example, we are now seeing that Bitcoin has achieved a clear breakout now. And as per Daan Crypto, Bitcoin is holding well after this breakout and it will continue to rise from here. Now I think that it is critical to note here why Bitcoin crashed recently. So as per data from Santiment, Bitcoin went below the 4 to 6K level recently because there was extreme fear in the market due to COVID. In fact, traditional markets and products like the SP 500 and gold were all declining due to it. So it is now evident that there was FUD in the market, and that's why Bitcoin and the overall crypto market fell last week. And while Bitcoin and other cryptos are booming, I still think that this FUD is somewhat there in the market right now. But the good thing is that traders have been betting against the crypto market of late. It means that despite all this FUD in the market recently, traders have been stacking cryptos like Bitcoin and Doge since they are looking for long-term gains. And now if these funding rates show extended short levels in the coming days, we will see that the prices of cryptos will rise. And another good thing happening for Bitcoin is that while it witnessed an extended price correction, pro traders remain bullish. In fact, these traders continued to invest in Bitcoin-backed products like ETFs and ETP. Moreover, it was believed that the news about crypto regulations and crypto ETFs regulations will create FUD in the market. However, pro traders are not concerned about such news and updates as they are still bullish for the market and investing in Bitcoin and Bitcoin-backed products. And now, if we talk about where we are headed from here, popular crypto analyst Nicholas Merton believes that Bitcoin is now mirroring a technical price pattern previously displayed in the SP 500 index. Merton analyzed how in 2008, the SP 500 rallied to $1,500 before correcting all the way down to $770 and then repeated the entire process over the course of 4 years. If the pattern plays out, Merton believes that Bitcoin would be dropping approximately to the 30K level before rebounding again and resuming an uptrend to hit a new all-time high next year. All in all, Bitcoin is now looking to end the year on a good note with surging dramatically in 2022. And as I said, if Bitcoin goes up, then it is highly likely that Dogecoin will follow suit. In fact, if we see Dogecoin's current price, it has rallied up about 5% in the last 24 hours. And this means that Doge has followed Bitcoin's upward trend during this time. So Doge has now reclaimed support in the 17 cents level, which is a positive indication for the coin. This is because Doge is currently targeting to clear the resistance level of 19 cents. And given that the overall market, particularly Bitcoin, is performing well, I believe that Dogecoin can now break through this resistance level. However, holders should not expect a massive surge in its price. As I have been saying recently, it is highly likely that Doge will not go for a massive leg up right away. It may gain some support in the coming days, but a major leg up is not expected until March and April of 2022. So the point is that Doge holders will have to wait for some months. And the good thing is that 2022 is going to be a major year for Doge, both in terms of its value and its adoption. And talking about crypto adoption, we are now seeing that more and more people and firms are now getting exposure to the crypto industry. For example, we have seen recently that athletes and politicians have chosen to be paid in crypto. And now, we are seeing that major businesses are beginning to offer crypto-based salaries in an effort to recruit a younger workforce. A recent CNBC article highlighted an example of young talent being compensated in crypto. Stephen Jarrett's, a university student, chose to accept his income in cryptos. And according to Jarrett's, he has earned more than he would have earned in cash as a result of crypto price fluctuations. He stated that he allows things to be and finds joy when prices increase. So the point is that crypto adoption is now imminent. More and more people, especially youngsters, are now adopting cryptos as their salaries. And now let's come to the next update. So Nishal Shetty, CEO of WazirX, the biggest crypto exchange in India, believes that major countries will soon give in to crypto. And eventually, we will see a major boom in the crypto adoption rate. He also talked about rising crypto adoption in India, stating that 2021 has shown everyone the potential of crypto, especially in India. He said that the Indian crypto market has grown at least 5 to 10 times in just this year alone. So I think that Nishal Shetty has made a valid point, since we have seen that 2021 has been fruitful for cryptos in terms of adoption. As per the 2021 Chainalysis Global Crypto Adoption Index, 2021 has wrapped up with the highest ever crypto adoption rate of over 880%. So we are now seeing that people from more and more countries around the world are taking the dive into cryptos, and this has eventually increased the overall crypto adoption. And it is highly likely that this trend will continue as we enter 2022. And now there is some good news for the crypto community. So there was some FUD in the market recently when news broke out that Russia is going to ban cryptos. However, it was not true at all. It has been reported that the Bank of Russia aims to introduce legislation to regulate the circulation of cryptos in the country rather than ban it. And this was made official by Vladimir Kistyukin, the central bank's deputy chairman. He said that they are planning to ban privately managed cryptos only. Kistyukin stated that while Russian residents and corporations can purchase and store crypto, they cannot do so through local infrastructure or intermediaries. And they are now working on legislation that will regulate crypto transactions in the country. So this is indeed a great update for the crypto market that will now eliminate the FUD. And eventually, this clarity will now encourage Russian investors to continue their crypto trading. So now, if we come to the overall crypto market, we are now seeing that the market is back in the green during the last 24 hours. The total crypto market cap has moved up to $2.25 trillion, and the total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is around $93 billion, which makes a 5% increase. And as I stated in my previous video, I think this is the start of the most anticipated Santa rally for the crypto market. So this is a good sign for Dogecoin and all other cryptos. And now, as Jack Dorsey has given a huge boost to the market, I think that the overall crypto market is going to end this year on a good note.